Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to get the Hammer token on Monopoly Go. So if you want to get this Hammer token here, you just need to follow these simple steps. First of all, just need to complete all the epic meets right here on your album. So basically here, this a total of 189 stickers, and we have just completed 118 stickers right here, and the time left here is 10 days and 2 hours. So we just need to complete all the epic meets right here to get that Hammer token on this album. Now, basically, if you want to get more stickers on Monopoly Go, so all you need to do here is continue playing on the board and upgrading your landmarks to be able to get some rewards or the stickers that we need to add up to your album and get that Hammer token on Monopoly Go. You can also check quick wins, and here basically you can get a rewards when you complete all of the task right here. So earn to fill the bar and get some prizes. So some of the prizes here is the stickers that we need to add up to our album. Now the last one here, if you click or tap on the box right here, the bottom right, you'll find here stickers for rewards. So exchange duplicate sticker stars for some rewards. So basically right here, for example, so I have 138 stars. If we click on this or tap on these 100 stars right here and tap on exchange, then you will receive some rewards, including the stickers that we need or epic myths to our album. So basically here, once we open that one, you'll find some 4-star stickers, 3 stars, 2 stars, and another 2 stars here. So once you get all these stickers on your album, then you will get that Hammer token on this Monopoly Go. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.